Hello my dear students, last class I explained you ratio analysis introduction part. Okay, in that introduction part I gave you introduction, definition and what do you mean by ratio analysis, what are the ratios and chart I gave you in that 5 classifications. In that first we discussed general profitability ratios. Okay, that related one problem we are going to discuss. I gave you one problem, that is Alpha Manufacturing Company has drawn up the following trading and profit and loss account. They gave you profit and loss account detailed information about the year ended 31st March 2013. Opening stock 26,000, purchases 80,000, wages 24,000, manufacturing expenses 16,000, sales 1,60,000, closing stock 38,000 and gross profit we got it as 52,000. Okay, this is about profit and loss account, trading account. And profit and loss account is this gross profit is brought down, that is 52,000 and selling and distribution expenses 4,000, administrative expenses 22,800, general expenses 1,200, value of furniture lost by fire 800. So here we got net profit is 28,000. Okay, here trading account and profit and loss account is given. From that you are required to calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating expenses ratio and operating profits ratio. Okay, first one gross profit ratio. How to calculate gross profit ratio? You know that one, already I gave that chart. See that one, we need to do many more problems so that you can able to understand and you can able to remember all the formulas. Okay, first one, gross profit ratio. Gross profit ratio you can calculate gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Here gross profit is calculated by this formula, gross profit divided by net sales into 100. How much gross profit? Already they gave in the problem 52,000. Okay, 52,000 and sales. How much sales? 1,60,000. Some problems they won't give net sales, we need to calculate net sales also. Here in this problem directly they gave sales. Okay, 52,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100. Okay, then how much you will get? 52,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100. Try to calculate and will be that may be around 32.5%. Okay, that ratio. Next they asked you calculate net profit ratio. Net profit ratio, how to calculate net profit? For this formula we have two variables. We need to take two variables, that is net profit and as well as net sales, that is total sales. Okay, net profit divided by net sales into 100. Net profit how much? Already they provided in the problem, 28,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100. Then you will get that by calculating this, the percentage 17.5. Okay. And next one, they asked you to calculate operating ratio, operating expenses. To calculate this operating expenses ratio, we need to take a formula, cost of goods sold plus all operating expenses divided by sales. Calculate again. Cost of goods sold. the cost of goods sold directly it is not given in the problem. We need to calculate cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold, how to calculate that one? All opening stock, purchases and wages. If you add all these, you will get that manufacturing expenses. Everything expenses we need to take less closing stock. You will get cost of goods sold. Opening stock. How much opening stock? See that problem directly. 26,000 plus purchases. Purchases 80,000. Wages 24,000. And manufacturing expenses is 16,000. Total of this you are getting is total 26,000, 80,000, 24,000 plus 16,000. You will get 1,46,000. From that we need to deduct closing stock. Here board is very small, so one after one we will calculate. Closing stock is 38,000. It will be deducted from this. Then we will get 1,08,000. Okay, 1,08,000 is the cost of goods sold. Next one, all operating expenses. Cost of goods sold plus operating expenses divided by sales is the formula. You remember that. Cost of goods sold is 1,08,000 we got. Next, now we need to calculate all operating expenses. What are operating expenses? Operating expenses are classified into 4, that all indirect expenses is called as an operating expenses. Okay, the selling and distribution expenses, administrative expenses, general expenses. That is given in the problem. Selling and distribution expenses 4,000. Administrative expenses 28,800. Sorry, 22,800. And next one is general expenses. How much general expenses? 1,200. Total 4,000 plus 22,800 plus 1,200. You will get total all operating expenses are 28,000. Okay. 1,08,000 is the cost of goods sold plus 28,000 is the operating expenses. $28,000 divided by sales. Sales, how much it is given? 1,60,000. Okay. One lakh 36,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100. See how much you are getting. 1 lakh 36,000 divided by 1 lakh 60,000 into 100. 85%. This is operating ratio. Next, what they asked here, operating profits ratio. Operating profit ratio. Up to here, you are clear, I think. Okay. First, gross profit ratio, net profit ratio. Next one, operating ratio. Operating ratio is also nothing but a operating expenses ratio. Next, operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio. Operating profit ratio, what's the formula? Operating net profit, that is divided by sales. So total net profit how much? Operating net profit divided by total sales, that is also in net sales, into 100. Then operating net profit is equal to net profit plus operating expenses. Net profit is 28,000 plus operating non-operating expenses. How much non-operating expenses? Non-operating expenses is nothing but a value of furniture lost by fire. This is not related to operating. Operating purpose is selling and distribution, administrative expenses, office expenses, factory expenses, like that all are operating expenses. This is not an operating expenses. So non-operating expenses. Non-operating expense is 800. 28,800 you are getting. Total operating net profits. You need to deduct the non-operating income. Here non-operating income is also given. So we need to deduct non-operating income. If not, only non-operating expenses will be added. Here non-operating income is also given in the problem. So we need to take that one also. That is compensation for acquisition of land. How much? 4,800. It should be deducted from this. So 24,000 you are getting. That is operating net profit. This is 24,000 is the operating net profit. Okay, operating net profit divided by sales, 1,60,000. Okay, clear? $24,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100. $24,000 divided by 1,60,000 into 100. 15%. This is about general profitability ratios. In this problem, they asked you to calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating ratio, that is operating expenses ratio, and operating profit ratio. Okay, this is about the first problem, general profitability ratios. Another problem we are going to discuss. Another problem I will give you, pick